What's up, guys? It's your boy Tochi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in case you are new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so as to get notified whenever I drop forex related videos like this. And in today's video, I'm going to show you people how to pass a prop firm challenge account successfully. Yeah, although it's not going to be like a practical class, but truly it's a tips that you must follow in order to pass your prop firm successfully without violating them. You get, so far as you are following the proper risk management rule I'm going to state here. Okay, so on my next video I'm going to do this exactly what I said here live on a prop firm account. I'll just get a small account and do this live with you people, like the tips I'm showing you all out here. I'm going to be doing it live with you people, so you could see that truly this works. It works many times. It has worked many times for me, so it truly works. You get. So the page you've seen here is from my ebook that I just launched here. The ebook I just launched, the XAUUSD Bible, you get. So this is just one of the page here. You can, this should be around the page 68 out of the 72 page, yeah, we've got in the ebook here. So you see now the ebook is truly loaded. So I'm just giving you people out this particular page out for free. I'm giving you out this content here for free. You understand? So you should know that this book is truly loaded. In case you need a copy, just go straight to the description box and you'll see a link to a page where you can get it. Yeah, it just costs 10,000 naira. Yeah. So with that being said, let's head straight to today's video. So first of all, what is a prop firm? Yeah, a prop firm is a company offering traders an opportunity to use their skill to trade for them. Yeah, the company provide traders capital that they can use to trade stocks, commodities, futures, derivatives, currencies, and so on. So this means that you have the freedom to choose what you want to trade as a trader. Yeah, but at the same time, they do have rules which all traders under them must follow. So now, how do you choose the right prop firm accounts? Yeah, so the one I will recommend in this video is my forex fund. Yeah, I've been using them for a long time. Yeah, they are reliable. My forex fund. Yeah, this is the reason why I choose them. Unlike other prop firms, their profit target here is 8%, and their daily loss limit is 5%. Yeah, it's normal. Their max loss limit, the maximum overall loss limit is 12%. That is 12% on the real account. Other problems, I think, is 10%, yeah, max. So, and they accept all style of trading, hedging, copy trading, and so on. And so you could trade news too. They accept all types of trading. So, and like other problems, they have two phases. Yeah, the first phase where you need to make 8%, like your profit target of 8%, while respecting the max daily loss of 12% and 5%. Yeah, 5%. And phase two, the profit target of 5%, and still respecting the same max daily loss and the daily loss limits too. So now let's move straight to how to pass a prop firm account. Although once you've passed the two challenges, they will give you a real funded, a live account now to trade with, and where you'll be paid 75% of the profit you will make for that month on a monthly basis. Then after that first month, the second payout will be on bi-weekly, that is every 2 weeks, in every 2 weeks. Yeah. So um the your initial deposit, like the money you used to get the account, will be refunded back to you on your first withdrawal, as if you successfully passed the two-phase challenge, and now you're a real funded trader and you are set to withdraw. So they will refund you your initial deposit you get alongside your profit. So how do we pass a prop firm account. So first of all, as usual, make sure you have gotten the skill, and if yes, then follow these rules. Let's say you picked an account of $10,000, and our strategy's risk to reward ratio is the minimum of 1:3 risk to reward, which means when you are risking $100, you should be making $300. That is what I mean when I said 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Yeah. So we are to risk 0.5% to 1% of our accounts per trade or in a day, so as not to violate their rules. So now 1% of a $10,000 account is $100. So now let's say we saw a good trade set up on gold with a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So we took the trade, risking 1% of our accounts, which is $100. And the trade is 1:3 risk to reward ratio, which is if we are risking 1%, we should be making 300%. And luckily for us, the trade hit TP. Now our new account balance is what? $10,300. Yeah. So what you should do now on your next trade, you will need to risk that profit you've made. Yeah, on your next trade, if you see a good setup again, now it's time for you to risk the profit, not your capital. The aim here is to secure your capital and 10x your profit or whatever. So now on our next trade, we are to risk our profit, which is $300. So the next day we saw a good trade set up on gold with a 1:3 risk to reward. As usual, that is our minimum risk to reward on this strategy or on our own strategy. Yeah. So we took the trade again, sorry, which means we are risking that $300 to make what? $900. Remember, it's 1:3. That is 300 in three places. 300 in three places, just like 100 in three places, that's 300. Now 300 in three places, which is $900. So now once it hits TP, our account balance will become 11,200. Yeah. Why is it 11,200? We had initially profit of 300, and now we made 900, which makes it a total of 1,200. Yeah. Plus our capital, $10,000. That is 11,200. So with that two successful trades, that if it goes in your direction, those two trades, with those two successful trades, you've automatically passed the prop firm account. You see, with just two trades, you've made 12% straight up in a row. So sometimes this is easier said than done. You get. So we always expect the opposite to happen. So now which takes me to the next phase or the next means in passing this prop firm account. Now let's say we still had a $10,000 account and our risk to reward is still 1:3 risk to reward, which means when you're risking $100, you're getting 300. If it goes against you, then you're losing $100. Yeah. So let's say you saw a setup on gold or any pair you're trading, and which is 1:3, which is the minimum risk to reward. So you enter the trade and it goes against you. Now your new balance will be what? 9,900 if you followed your proper risk management, which is very important here. If you followed proper risk management, you should be knowing what you are losing per trade already. So on our next trade, we will still risk 1% here. Again, remember it's 1:3. So now the next day we saw a good trade again on the pair we are using, and we jumped into the trade, and this time around it hits TP. Our new balance will become what? 10,300. Yeah. We made back our this thing, the loss we had on the first day. So the second day, we made back the loss. Now we added 200 on top. Yeah. So now our new balance is 10,200. So the next day again, we still see a good setup. Now we are to reach that profit. So no matter how it goes, even if you lose twice, you recovered it again with profit of 100. Yeah, you go in with your profit again, risk your profit, because the aim here is to always secure your capital. Yeah, just in case you're in a drawdown, just keep on risking 1%, except you want to go aggressive. Yeah, but we are talking of being conservative. Yeah. So now on the next trade, we are now to reach that profit, which we made $200 because we lost 100. So now the second trade went in our direction, 1:3 risk reward, which 300 plus the 9,900 gives us 10,200. So on our next trade again, we still see a good 1:3 risk to reward ratio again. This is day 3. We still see a good 1:3 risk to reward, and we entered now with that risking that $200, which means if we close, we should be closing with $600. That is 200 in 3 places. That's $600. And luckily again, the trade hits at TP. Now our account balance will be what? 10,800. Automatically you pass the problem because the profit target is what? 8%. So thus whenever you lose, don't try to revenge trade or try to get your money back. Whenever we are losing, we want to, okay, let me just get the money, my losses back. It's fine for me. You understand? Because you just want to just get the money back, like or want to make back the losses and profit instantly. That's a very bad habit in trading. It's psychology playing with you there. And if you want to try that, if you should try that, you might end up losing more. So it's better for you to close for that day. Just do as if nothing happened, because normally if you don't pass it, there's 1 extra month for you to trade again. You get? So keep on risking 1% whenever you are in a drawdown. Don't try to, except you want to go aggressive. Yeah. And it has its own its own disadvantage. Yeah. So just stay focused. Remember, you have a month to pass it, and even if you don't pass it within 30 days, you will get a free retake. So that's it, guys, on today's video on how to pass a prop firm account. This particular strategy I'm showing you people here, I'm going to be using it in a live account. On the next prop firm video I will be making, I'm going to use this particular steps I showed you people and show you people again in life, in reality, that it truly works. So that's it, guys, on today's video. If you're new to this channel, do it to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop forex related videos like this. And remember, this is just my new ebook, the a full strategy on gold. You can see all what it entails. Yeah. So just go straight to the description box and you see a link to this ebook. Yeah, get it. It's just for 10,000 naira. Yeah. And I'm giving out a free mentorship for this week. Yeah. For this week, to anybody that just go get this book now, I'm giving out a free mentorship. Yeah, a free forex mentorship to anybody that gets it this week. Yeah. So and again, if you need a link to this prop thing, just go straight to the description box. You'll see a link. They just click it and it directs you to their website where you get to register or read whatever you want to read about their terms and conditions, their rules, and yeah. So that's it, guys. See you on my next video.